I'm in Scioto County. I just wanted to take y'all through just a drive through. This is Scioto Furnace Cemetery, just south of South Webster, Ohio. I'm not sure how long it's been here. There's a plaque at the beginning of the drive, but I missed it. I'll pick it up though when I go back out. Excuse my voice, I've had bronchitis for a couple of weeks now, but it's starting to get better. I'm just gonna do a quick drive through. May stop this video a few times, but just to let everybody know what areas I service and what cemeteries I service. So I'm gonna be doing this. You'll see a few more posts like this as I go around to different cemeteries. This one, of course, is on a big hill. So if you are in the Scioto County area near the Lawrence-Jackson County line and you have loved ones in the cemetery, the stones need cleaned, just fixed up, cleaned. The historical stones, I do work on those as well. Reach out. I'm booking for the spring 25 season now, and I usually get filled up fairly quickly. Now, it's been a while since I've been up here. There's two different lanes, so I'm gonna try this one first. We'll see if it takes us around. I see several veterans stones already that are black and sinking. And anyone that ever wants to send a donation, any donations that I get, I find veteran stones like these right here. I don't know if we can see them, but there's a couple veterans markers right there, and they are that one. And sorry, my videoing skills aren't real good in the vehicle. That one right there is a veteran stone. It's not able to be read. Let's go on around. We're way up on the hill here. And I can't turn around, so we're gonna have to go back down and go the other drive. So, Scioto Furnace Cemetery Part 1, Part 2 coming next.